This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the meeting was actually recorded and that your account has permission. This avoids wasted searching. Open the Microsoft Teams desktop app because the client surfaces recordings consistently. Once open, go to the exact meeting chat thread immediately. Look for the recording notification or a playback card. Teams posts links there automatically. If you don't see it, make sure the meeting organizer wasn't an external guest or that retention policy didn't auto-delete the file. These are common blockers. Once done with the chat check, expand your search into OneDrive and SharePoint because Teams stores recordings there for most organizations. Navigate to your OneDrive recordings folder or the meeting's SharePoint site. Recordings are named with date and meeting title, which helps. Use the Teams search bar if you prefer quick lookup. Type the meeting title, organizer, or a participant name to surface file cards. Make sure you apply the correct date range, otherwise results can be noisy and slow your progress. You finish by opening the recording directly in the player and choosing download or share to distribute it. Downloads give offline access and share links preserve permissions. If you can't find the file, check retention settings and whether the meeting organizer owns the recording. Ownership affects where it is saved. As a troubleshooting tip, ask the organizer to check Stream or the SharePoint site and request IT verify retention and cross-tenant sharing. This resolves most missing recording scenarios quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.